Hi guys, so today I'll be unboxing as you can see over there, MBRP exhaust for my Infiniti Q50 3.0. So let me just get the knife. So it's not first time unboxing it, so don't judge me. I'm doing this for the audience, not for myself, so you guys take a look how it's going to come. Just letting you know, this box is heavy, so don't try to lift it on your own. So ask for help. Yeah, it's really fucking heavy. Okay, I'm just gonna unbox it. Shirtless because it's really fucking hot. I live in Brooklyn, New York. Come closer. So this is it. This is how it looks like. 3, as you can see, 3-inch. The bigger the diameter is, the more flow it gets, so it's better for your car. As you can see, MBRP muffler. Oh, there's more. This is the second muffler. Over here. And basically, white pipe. Come here, this way, this way. So basically, whatever in the box, I'm not gonna take it out because I don't have that much space. The white pipe and then the X pipe everything is there, as you see, as a muffler over here. I'm just gonna show you the tips, I guess. Right there. As you can see, that's the tip number 1. Just put it back so I don't lose it. And this is the tip number 2. I just went there. There are some options for carbon fiber tips as well, but I just didn't want to. I have a white Q50, so I just went with plastic stainless steel. And over here, as you can see, all the clamps and. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna do an install video on it as well. So. Hi guys, after I unboxed it, there it is. I'll try to record as much as I can. So yeah, it's gonna be a small clip, you know what I mean? Because I'm doing this alone and I have nobody else to help me. All of my friends are at work, so I don't blame them. And because our schedule is different, so I'll try to do everything on my own. But so yeah, wish me luck, I guess. Hey guys, so sorry I forgot to record that. First thing, I started off with the muffler because for me the muffler was easier, which is over there. Whenever you're installing, basically this is a 14mm. You can do it with the wrench or socket wrench. Basically, 1 second. 1 second. Fucking hell. I'll try to put it like this. Hold on, let you guys see it right there. Fuck. That shit hurt. Hold on. Excuse the language. the last bolt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby, come on. Ah, fuck me. Basically, I'll show you guys after the results. Excuse my language. So, like I said, I got those bolts off, this one off, which is over there. Now I need to make sure to get that one off, and then I'll record again. Okay? Talk to you guys later. Later on, gotta remove these. These are 13 on the side, so we can drop the exhaust. And then just put whatever you took from there, put it back. That's it. Couple of days. Not a couple days, actually quite a while, almost 2 or 3 weeks before I installed the MBRP catback exhaust on my 2017 Q50 all-wheel drive 3.0. So I'm gonna show you remote start. Fuck, hold on. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like it, leave a comment if anything. I'm trying to do this YouTube thing. If it works out, oh well. If it doesn't, I'm gonna just do it for fun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and peace out. Stay safe.